Welcome to Italy's Top 10. Ciao everyone and welcome to Bella Italia. I'm thrilled to be your guide as we explore the best this incredible country has to offer. From ancient ruins to Renaissance masterpieces, Italy is a feast for the senses and a journey for the soul. Our adventure begins in Rome, the Eternal City. This city, with its rich tapestry of history, culture, and art, has been a beacon for travelers and dreamers for centuries. As we embark on this journey, we'll uncover the layers of time that have shaped this magnificent metropolis. Imagine standing in the shadow of the Colosseum, feeling the echoes of gladiators and emperors. This ancient amphitheater, once the stage for epic battles and grand spectacles, still holds the spirit of ancient Rome. As you walk through its arches, you can almost hear the roar of the crowd and the clash of swords, transporting you back to a time of grandeur and glory. Picture yourself tossing a coin into the Trevi fountain, ensuring your return. This iconic fountain, with its Baroque artistry and mythological sculptures, is more than just a tourist attraction. It's a symbol of hope and a promise of return. Legend has it that a coin thrown over the left shoulder with the right hand guarantees a future visit to Rome. As the water cascades down the marble, you become part of a tradition that spans generations. We'll wander through the ruins of the Roman Forum, once the bustling center of the Roman Empire. These ancient remnants tell the story of a civilization that shaped the world. From the Senate House to the Temple of Saturn, each stone and column whispers tales of political intrigue, philosophical debates, and daily life in ancient Rome. As we explore, we'll uncover the layers of history that have made Rome the eternal city it is today. And of course, no trip to Rome is complete without a visit to Vatican City, the heart of the Catholic Church. This independent city-state, nestled within Rome, is a treasure trove of religious and artistic heritage. As we approach St. Peter's Square, the grandeur of the Basilica and the embrace of Bernini's colonnade welcome us into a realm of spiritual and artistic wonder. Here, we'll marvel at St. Peter's Basilica and Michelangelo's Sistine Chapel ceiling. The Basilica, with its awe-inspiring dome and intricate mosaics, stands as a testament to Renaissance artistry and devotion. Inside the Sistine Chapel, Michelangelo's frescoes, including the iconic creation of Adam, leave us breathless with their beauty and detail. Each brushstroke tells a story of faith, creativity, and human achievement. Rome is a vibrant, living city with a modern pulse. Beyond its ancient monuments, the city thrives with contemporary culture, fashion, and cuisine. The streets are alive with the energy of locals and visitors alike, creating a dynamic blend of old and new. From chic boutiques to bustling markets, Rome offers a sensory feast that delights and surprises at every turn. We'll stroll through neighborhoods like Trastevere, indulge in delicious pasta, and sip on strong Italian coffee. Trastevere, with its narrow cobblestone streets and vibrant nightlife, captures the essence of Roman charm. Here, we'll savor traditional dishes like carbonara and amatriciana, prepared with love and passed down through generations. As we enjoy a leisurely meal at a local trattoria, we'll experience the warmth and hospitality that define Roman dining. As the sun sets over the Tiber River, you'll understand why Rome captivates travelers from around the globe. The golden hues of the sunset reflect off the water, casting a magical glow over the city. From the ancient bridges to the modern skyline, Rome's beauty is timeless. As we conclude our journey, we'll carry with us the memories of a city that has touched our hearts and inspired our souls. Rome, the eternal city, is not just a destination, it's an experience that stays with you forever. From Rome, we journey north to Venice, a city that seems to float on water. Imagine gliding along quiet canals in a gondola, serenaded by a gondolier. We'll explore the labyrinthine streets and bridges, discovering hidden squares and charming cafes. Be sure to visit St. Mark's Square, with its stunning basilica and the iconic Doge's Palace. Venice is a city for getting lost in, for wandering without a map and stumbling upon unexpected treasures. As you explore Venice, remember to take your time. Find a quiet spot to savor a gelato and watch the gondolas glide by. In the evening, treat yourself to a traditional Venetian meal, perhaps some fresh seafood or a plate of creamy risotto. From the canals of Venice, we travel to Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance. Imagine standing before Michelangelo's David, marveling at the sculptor's ability to capture the essence of human form. Picture yourself strolling across the Ponte Vecchio, its shops a testament to the city's enduring spirit. We'll lose ourselves in the masterpieces of the Uffizi Gallery, home to works by Botticelli, Leonardo da Vinci and Raphael. Florence is more than just museums and monuments. It's a city with vibrant street life, filled with artisans, musicians and delicious food. Take a break to enjoy a scoop of gelato, sip on a cappuccino, or browse the leather goods in the Oltrarno neighborhood. Let Florence inspire you as it has inspired artists and thinkers for centuries. Next, we venture to Milan, Italy's fashion capital. Imagine stepping inside the awe-inspiring Duomo, its intricate Gothic facade adorned with countless statues. Picture yourself lost in contemplation before Leonardo da Vinci's masterpiece, The Last Supper. We'll stroll through the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, an elegant 19th century shopping arcade. Milan is a city that effortlessly blends its historic past with its modern dynamism. From its architectural marvels to its fashion-forward spirit, Milan offers a unique and unforgettable Italian experience. From Milan, we journey south to the Amalfi coast, a breathtaking stretch of coastline. Imagine cruising along winding coastal roads, the sapphire waters of the Mediterranean Sea sparkling below. We'll explore charming seaside villages like Positano and Amalfi, with its magnificent cathedral. We'll hike the scenic path of the Gods Trail, which offers breathtaking views of the coastline. The Amalfi Coast is a place to relax, recharge, and soak up the beauty of the Mediterranean. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or simply a taste of la dolce vita, the Amalfi Coast is sure to captivate your senses. Leaving the Amalfi Coast, we head north to the Cinque Terre, a string of 5 picturesque villages. Imagine hiking along scenic trails that connect these colorful villages, each with its own unique character. We'll explore the narrow, car-free streets of Manarola, with its colorful houses stacked on the cliffs. We'll wander through the vineyards of Vernazza, sampling the local wine and enjoying breathtaking views. The Cinque Terre is a place to escape the hustle and bustle of modern life and reconnect with nature. It's a place to hike, swim, enjoy delicious food, and soak up the beauty of this unique corner of Italy. As you hike from village to village, be sure to take your time and savor the experience. From the mainland, we embark on a ferry ride to the island of Sicily, a land of ancient history and mouth-watering cuisine. Imagine exploring the Valley of the Temples, home to some of the best-preserved Greek temples outside of Greece. Picture wandering through the bustling markets of Palermo, the island's capital. We'll visit the charming hilltop town of Taormina, with its ancient Greek theater offering stunning views of Mount Etna. Sicily is a feast for the senses, with its unique blend of cultures, stunning scenery, and delicious cuisine. As you explore Sicily, you'll discover an island that is both ancient and modern, rugged and beautiful, and full of surprises. From the shores of Sicily, we journey north to the Italian Alps, where the tranquil waters of Lake Como shimmer amid snow-capped peaks. Imagine strolling through elegant lakeside towns, their colorful villas reflected in the crystal-clear water. We'll visit Bellagio, known as the Pearl of Lake Como, with its charming streets and stunning views. Lake Como is a place to relax, recharge, and soak up the beauty of the Italian Alps. Whether you're seeking adventure, romance, or simply a peaceful escape, Lake Como is sure to captivate your senses. Enjoy a leisurely lunch at a waterfront restaurant, take a dip in the lake, or simply relax and enjoy the stunning views. From the beauty of Lake Como, we head south to Naples, a city that pulsates with life and energy. Imagine wandering through the narrow, bustling streets of the historic center, the aroma of freshly baked pizza in the air. We'll visit the Duomo, Naples' magnificent cathedral, home to the relics of San Gennaro. And of course, no trip to Naples would be complete without savoring a slice of authentic Neapolitan pizza. Naples is more than just pizza and history. It's a city with a vibrant cultural scene. We'll visit the Museo Archeologico Nazionale, which houses an impressive collection of Roman artifacts. Naples is a city that will challenge and reward you in equal measure. For our final adventure, we journey to the island of Sardinia, a land of rugged mountains and pristine beaches. Imagine relaxing on pink sand beaches, the scent of salt air and Mediterranean vegetation filling your senses. We'll visit the Costa Smeralda, Sardinia's glamorous emerald coast. Sardinia is a place to escape the crowds, reconnect with nature, and experience a different pace of life. We'll savor fresh seafood, sample local cheeses and wines, and enjoy traditional Sardinian dishes. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or simply a taste of paradise, Sardinia is sure to captivate your senses. As we say arrivederci to Italy, let's savor the memories we've made. We've stood in awe of ancient ruins, marveled at Renaissance masterpieces, and gotten lost in charming villages. Italy is a country that stays with you long after you've left, nourishing your soul and sparking your imagination. Until next time, ciao for now.